All right, in this update, I have added the ability to define which color space to use for each of the texture imports. So if you go to the SpeedTree tool, edit tool, here near the top, we have the color space is defined, and then here within the config is where we'll need to set them. Now, if you don't know any Python, that's fine. I'll tell you exactly what you need to do here so that it'll work. All right, so basically from what I read online, the best configuration for all of these, or a good default configuration, is anything that is black and white information. Black and white texture information should be imported as raw. Otherwise, it should be set to auto. Unless you know what you're doing, you can set a different color space. Link here for all about Redshift color spaces, color management, in case you need to know more about that. Okay, so how we can change any of these is we need to make these down here in this dictionary equal exactly to the variable names up here. A best way to do that is to copy, double click on any of these, you can copy them, then paste them down here. So just for example, we'll set some, even though these don't make sense. We'll just make sure that this works and demo that and show you what it looks like in the actual Redshift nodes. Okay, apply, click accept. Now I'm just going to import this eucalyptus tree I have exported from SpeedTree. Check out the other video for how to export. All right, going into the SpeedTree, into the Redshift material. I'm gonna go ahead and click on one of the leaves, and let's expand this a bit. Oh, okay. And we should have the correct color spaces that we defined over there for each of these nodes. Okay, so this is how you can define whatever color space you want, and then it'll apply to every single one of the nodes that we automatically imported. That's it. This update is not backwards compatible. The new Redshift release had a lot of breaking changes in the standard material node. A lot of things changed here, so I wanted to have backward compatibility, but you can always still use the old versions, but then they aren't going to have the ability to have customize the color spaces like in this video I'm showing you here. I hope this all helps. I hope this can be a better fit for your workflow, as you can define the color space you need. Other than that, if you have any feedback on the new layout, what nodes are connected to what and what they're doing, such as the ambient occlusion mixed with the diffuse color, you can let me know. We can either edit to have this more optimized, or I can even add a new shelf icon if there's a different workflow that would be legitimate for another scenario. And we can add that in future updates. All right, that's it.